Frequent urination during pregnancy. Since becoming pregnant, you might have noticed that you're getting up to use the bathroom much more than you used to. At the beginning of your pregnancy, hormonal changes cause blood to flow more quickly through your kidneys, filling up your bladder more often. During your pregnancy, the amount of blood in your body nearly doubles. This means extra fluid is being processed through your kidneys and ending up in your bladder. Also, as your baby grows, it puts pressure on your bladder, making it feel full even when it might not be. Avoid beverages with mild diuretic effects, like coffee and tea. Lean forward while you pee. This can help empty your bladder completely. Don't go thirsty to avoid using the bathroom. It's more important to stay hydrated. Your urine should be clear, not yellow or cloudy. Another good tip is to drink more fluids throughout the day and then cut back for the few hours before you go to bed. Talk to your healthcare provider if you feel pain or burning during urination, if you see blood in your urine, or if you feel an urge to pee but you're only producing a few drops. You might have a urinary tract infection. But try not to worry. Frequent urination is normal during pregnancy.